Hi everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Cikgu Ahmad, and today we are going to still learn on the expansion of algebra, but this time is a different shape of the expression, but not that difficult. You see, the question here is 2a minus 5 squared. All are in brackets, square, yeah, power of 2. How to do this? So it's simple. Actually, square mean you multiply the same term. Yeah? You multiply the bracket term twice. Of course, square mean twice, and cube mean thrice, 3 times. This one 2 times. So we are going to arrange this in this form. Okay. So it will become 2a minus 5. First we do this first. 2 times here. Because square always means times multiply the same number 2 times. Okay, for example, 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4. So this one equal to this. Okay, alright. So next is of course what we have learned before, the rate, the expansion pattern. Starting with the red color here. Number 1, 2a times 2a, which comes to 4a squared. 4a squared, followed by blue color, like this. 2a positive times negative, and negative 5 positive and negative 10a, followed by green color. The third one is in green, negative 5 times 2a, which comes to negative 10a, and lastly the orange one, negative 5 times negative 5, negative and negative becomes positive 25. Okay, next you have to simplify the like terms. Like terms means have the same letter a and a. Of course, this is 10a, yeah? The green color here, not 10 9. Maybe you got confused with that. I wrote it properly now. Okay, so what we do now is to merge this. So negative minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 is minus 20a, of course. Okay, bring the red one down as usual is 4a squared. Okay, maybe the equals cannot be in red because they are different things, not related, they just sign here. And lastly, the positive 25, bring it down here. And that is it, you got it now. 4a squared minus 20a plus 25 is the answer. I hope you enjoy it. It looks fun and easy. And practice it, and you will be in no time become very good at it. Okay then, see you again soon in Cikgu Ahmad. Tuition Cikgu Ahmad. Okay, bye.